Hi, I'm Angela Thomas, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up an account, add a profile picture, and adjust your time zone for your next project on SignUpGenius.com. Creating an account on SignUp Genius is free and can be completed in a few simple steps. To create an account, go to the top right of the screen and click Create a SignUp. Enter your first name and last name, your email address, and create a password. Finally, click I'm not a robot and the green button at the bottom which says Register Now. Once you've opened your account, I recommend adjusting a couple of settings to personalize your experience. Click on the circle with your initials in the top right corner. Next, click Settings. Adding a photo of yourself makes it easier for recipients to identify you as the sender. In the Profile section of your settings, click on the gray pencil icon. Next, click on Upload a Photo. Select the image that you would like to use for your photo and click Save. Click Save again. Now your picture will show up in your account information, the top right corner of the screen, and on any future signups you create. To finalize this setting, scroll to the bottom of this screen and click Save one final time. Configuring your time zone to align with your project's region ensures that recipients receive accurate times. In your settings, choose the far right option, Date and Time. Adjust the country to match your location, and then choose the correct time zone for your location. You can also adjust the region within your time zone. When you're done, click Save. If your project spans multiple time zones, be sure to inform recipients of your selected time zone setting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to set up an account on SignUpGenius.com. If you'd like more tips and tricks on how to navigate the site, please check out my other tutorials, which are linked in the description below.